The future of retirement, embracing the digital nomad lifestyle in 2023. Retirement as we know it is undergoing a significant transformation in the digital age. The rise of digital nomadism has opened up new possibilities for retirees, allowing them to embrace a lifestyle that combines work and travel. In this video, we will delve into the world of retirement in 2023 and explore how the digital nomad lifestyle is reshaping the concept of retirement. So, let's embark on this journey into the future of retirement and discover the exciting opportunities that await. Let's start by answering the question which is probably on most of your minds. Who is a digital nomad? And why has this way of life become so popular? Well, they are a group of professionals who use digital tools and platforms without being tied to one place. People in this group work in many different fields, such as design, sales, writing, media, IT, marketing, advising, and creative services. Also, they can choose when they work and where they go, so they don't have to settle down in one place. In the past few years, more and more people have been looking for ways to get away from the typical 9-to-5 job grind. This way of living has become much more popular as digital tools and sites have become easier to find and use. Most of the time, the gig economy has given workers more chances to work together on a projects-by-projects basis. People's desire for a work-life balance and open scheduling has also helped this way of life grow, giving people more time to spend with their families and friends. Here are the top reasons why digital nomadism is the future of retirement. Number 1. Capitalize on your life experience. One of the best things about being a senior digital nomad is that you already have many years of life experience, which you can use to make the whole thing more fun. You've probably traveled a lot and know how to read the fine print on an insurance policy. Depending on your past, you might even know how to run a business. All of this knowledge is valuable, and it will help you become a remote business and digital nomad and make the most of this unique way of life. Number 2. You can see the whole world without touching your savings. Many retirees saved all their lives so that they would have enough money to visit the world, meet new people, and learn about different cultures after they retired. But it's also true that most seniors worry that they won't have enough money to get by and pay for medical bills when they need it the most. But if you become a remote senior entrepreneur, you can get past that fear and make your dream of traveling the world a worry-free reality because you won't have to use your savings to pay for it. Instead, you'll pay for your new way of life with the money you make from your remote business once it's up and running. You can even keep growing your savings while you're traveling if you use a good foreign online exchange to put in any extra money. No matter how you look at it, everyone wins. Number 3. More freedom and opportunity to work on your own time. Most people are quick to leave the 9-to-5 world behind once they reach retirement age and start working on their own terms. This means they only work when they want to, usually when they have a lot of energy, not on a strict plan set by someone else. But if you become a digital nomad, you can go one step further and leave the office life behind for good. You can set your own hours and travel whenever you want. You don't have to worry about office politics or dress rules. Number 4. Live an unconventional lifestyle. If you're one of those people who spent most of their lives in an office doing what everyone else did, like working a corporate job you hated but paid the bills, paying your house, saving for your kids' college, etc., you're probably desperate for a change. Becoming a digital nomad and adopting this new and unusual way of life will bring joy and meaning back into your life, making your golden years truly golden. It's the best way to get away from the consumerism of everyday life and do something more important than what you used to do. Number 5. Instead of wasting your time on the couch, do something useful with it. If you become a remote business and digital nomad, you can use your golden years to grow and improve yourself, instead of sitting on the couch and watching old episodes of Everybody Loves Raymond. It's a better way to make money and has fun than working part-time at the farmer's market or as a counselor at your old job. In short, it's a good way to enjoy new countries and keep from feeling like you don't have anything to offer the world. Number 6. Find people who share your interests in foreign meeting places. When you're exploring the world, co-working areas are the best places to be as productive as possible. They are popping up in big towns all over the world, and businesses from all walks of life, including many digital nomads, rent them out. You can even find places to stay that are made especially for digital nomads and offer meeting areas so that nomads can live and work together in the same place. This means that sharing spaces can be a great place to start a business and meet people with similar goals with whom you can share ideas or just become friends. Number 7. Move to a cheaper country where your money is worth more. Last but not least, becoming an online business lets you travel for longer because your income is likely to be better than the average salary in many countries. If you stay in Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and some South American countries like Colombia or Venezuela, you can live almost like royalty and still have plenty of money left over each month. This means you can enjoy the best things each place has to offer without going broke or ruining your savings for retirement. Number 8. Flexibility in accommodation. As a digital nomad, you have the flexibility to choose where you live and how you live. You can opt for short-term rentals, co-living spaces, or even house-sitting opportunities. This allows you to experience different types of accommodations and find what suits your preferences and budget. Number 9. Continual learning and personal growth. Retirement doesn't mean you stop learning and growing. Being a digital nomad exposes you to new cultures, languages, and experiences. You can engage in local communities, attend workshops, or even learn new skills online. This continuous learning can keep your mind sharp and provide a sense of fulfillment during your retirement years. Number 10. Enhanced social connections. Digital nomad communities are vibrant and diverse, attracting people from various backgrounds and age groups. By joining these communities, you can connect with like-minded individuals, make new friends, and build a supportive network. These social connections can alleviate feelings of loneliness and provide a sense of belonging wherever you go. Number 11. Access to healthcare and wellness options. Many digital nomad destinations offer affordable healthcare and wellness services. Countries like Thailand, Mexico, and Costa Rica have reputable medical facilities and wellness retreats at a fraction of the cost compared to some Western countries. This allows retirees to prioritize their health and well-being without breaking the bank. Number 12. Reduced cost of living. Digital nomadism allows retirees to take advantage of lower living costs in certain countries. By choosing to reside in locations with a lower cost of living, retirees can stretch their retirement savings further and enjoy a higher quality of life. This financial advantage can provide a sense of security and peace of mind. Number 13. Embracing technology and remote work. The advancement of technology has made remote work more accessible and efficient. Retirees can leverage their skills and experience by working remotely or starting their own online businesses. This enables them to generate income, pursue their passions, and stay mentally active during retirement. Number 14. Embracing a minimalistic lifestyle. Digital nomadism often encourages a minimalistic lifestyle, as you need to carry your belongings with you while traveling. This lifestyle shift can be liberating for retirees who want to downsize and simplify their lives. By focusing on experiences rather than material possessions, retirees can find more fulfillment and happiness in their retirement years. Number 15. Embracing adventure and exploration. Retirement is an ideal time to embark on new adventures and explore the world. As a digital nomad, you have the freedom to travel to different countries, immerse yourself in diverse cultures, and experience unique landscapes. This sense of adventure and exploration can bring a renewed sense of purpose and excitement to your retirement years. Whether you're dreaming of exploring new horizons or looking to redefine your retirement, the digital nomad lifestyle in 2023 offers a world of possibilities. Embrace the future and let the journey begin. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos with similar content. Thanks for watching.